ulam ko po ay sinigang. Kuha po ako ng plato. Ito po yung plato namin. Marami pa po. Wait lang. Ito po. Ayan po yung plato. Diba po?
Könnte ich bitte mit Kommissar Lockner oder Kommissar Albert
Nasaan po
sprechen?
yung ano dito?
Schlemper, Josef.
Pakuha lang po ako ng kanin. Cyril! Pakuha ng, ayun, ng timba. Guys, pakuha itong timba sa kanin. Cyril, dali na!
Das Büro von der Glockner ist gerade
Gutom
ausgereicht.
na gutom na.
Einfach den Platz nehmen, Sie werden dann aufgerufen. Ja?
Uy! Itapon. Uy!
Es wurden alle
Pakuha lang.
nichts außer dem Bericht gesehen.
Das sind
Ito
professionelle
guys yung
Darsteller.
kanin namin.
Illusion ist eher Schand.
Ayan ah.
Lassen Sie mir meine Sorgen.
Tatakpan ko na.
Deine Frau namens Markus ist
Ano na tayo? Kuha na tayo guys. Ang kain. Oh my God. Ito guys yung ulam namin.
dass diese Frau einen Exzellenzleben leidet.
Yeah, ang hirap guys. Kuha na ako.
Glauben Sie etwa an Hexen?
Kuha na ako ng manok. Tapos sabaw. Ano pa ba? Kasi guys, ito lang. Kasi nga guys, kagahapon umulan. Kaya yun. Ito, kakain.
Das kann ich mir auch.
Kakain tayo. Masarap guys yung ano, 'di ba guys, malamig tas ulam mo may sabaw. Sarap nun. Kaya nga guys ako nagke-crave.
Kommissar Glockner.
Sabi ng nanay ko magsisinigang daw kami. Yan. Ito, nagsinigang na kami. Yan guys, namamakon ko yung uling ito.
Sie haben versucht, mir zu helfen, meine Frau
Yan.
wiederzubringen.
Uling yan. Tapos ito, bumaliktad. Dapat ganito yun.
Einmal stoßen.
Kadiri. Yan. Ito na guys yung
43.
yan na. Tapos kuha pa tayo ng kutsara.
Aufschlüssen. Dafür
Ito
bin
guys
ich
yung kutsara.
immer noch dankbar.
Kita niyo po ba guys? Nakalagay po doon kutsaraan. Nakalagay doon kutsara. Wow. Yeah. Kakain lang ako. Lang guys. Yan ko muna kayo.
One and two and three and one and two and three. Elbows higher.
Yan kain na tayo.
All right, one moment. Susie, pass the jumpy's muscle, and that will develop as a condition. But you seem to have an aversion to them, and I don't quite see why. Are you so happy to be stuck here? There's a yield before the push, but I don't think you're quite understanding. Caroline, could you come and do a series for us, please?
Ano sabaw? First bite. Ang ahin.
Thank you. And now you.
want is to be on the floor right now anyway.
Of course. That's because you're mistaking physical weakness with artistic preference. And because you're tired.
At this point, the jumps are opposing the pull of the structure, but it's soon for that, don't you think? The floor work is keeping the other dancers pushed down. So this could echo that. On a slightly higher point of elevation. If I stay close to the ground now and go straight into the jumps where you have them later, then that's more to the point. The resistance is more emphatic, right?
I don't know how where you are and what times we lived through here 40 years ago,
Kuya, ano ko?
at which this piece was made. We learned